Welcome to Easy English. Today, enjoy a long English conversation between a teacher and a student. Listen carefully, speak with us, and practice your English naturally. Let's begin.
Good afternoon, Aiden. How are you today?
Good afternoon, Miss Clara. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. A little tired, but happy. It was a long day of teaching.
Yes, I can imagine. Today's classes were busy.
They really were, but I always enjoy talking with you after school. So tell me, how was your day?
It was okay. Not too exciting. I had math, science, and English.
That sounds like a full schedule. Did any class feel difficult today?
Math was a little confusing. We started a new chapter.
New chapters can be tricky at first, but don't worry, you'll get it. Would you like to talk about it later?
Maybe, if we have time. Thank you.
So, Aiden, did you finish your homework for today?
Yes, I did. I finished everything during study period.
Nice! I'm proud of you. That shows good discipline.
Thank you, Miss Clara. Though I'm not sure if I understood everything correctly.
No problem. That's what I'm here for. Which part do you feel unsure about?
The reading task. I wasn't sure if my answers were detailed enough.
Let me take a look later. I'll help you fix anything if needed. Aiden, how do you usually study at home?
I study at my desk in my room. I like a quiet space.
That's good. Do you study every day?
Not every day, but I try. Sometimes I get lazy.
That's normal. Everyone gets lazy sometimes, even teachers.
Really? Even you?
Of course. I also feel tired, but I try to make small habits, like reading 10 minutes every night.
That sounds simple. Maybe I can do that too.
Aiden, did you see your test results?
Yes, I did. I got 82.
That's a good score. You improved from last time.
But I wanted to score above 90.
You can. You're improving step by step. What did you find most difficult in the test?
The listening section. Some sentences were too fast.
I understand. Listening gets easier with practice. We'll practice more today. Do you want to practice speaking for a bit?
Sure, I'd like that.
Okay, let's do a mini dialogue. I'll ask questions. You answer in full sentences, okay?
Okay.
What did you have for lunch today?
I had rice, chicken, and some vegetables.
Great! Was it tasty?
Yes, it was pretty good.
What did you do during lunch break?
I talked with my friends and walked around the courtyard.
Nice! Who do you usually sit with?
I sit with my classmates, Mark, Leo, and Hannah.
What do you usually talk about?
Mostly school and games.
That sounds fun. Okay, next, describe your perfect weekend.
My perfect weekend would be sleeping late, eating pancakes, playing games and watching movies.
That sounds like a dream weekend. Now, describe your perfect school day.
Maybe no homework and lots of fun activities?
Every student says that. Aiden, do you have any goals for this year?
Yes, I want to improve my English and become more confident.
That's a wonderful goal. What do you think you need to do to achieve it?
Practice more and maybe speak English every day.
Exactly. Small daily practice makes a huge difference.
Miss Clara, were you always good at English?
Not really. When I was young, I was shy. I was afraid to speak in class.
Really? I never thought that.
But I practiced every day, reading, listening, speaking, and slowly I became confident.
That's inspiring. Maybe I can do that too.
You absolutely can. You're already doing great. So, Aiden, what do you enjoy doing after school?
I like playing badminton and sometimes drawing.
Badminton. That's a fun sport. Are you good at it?
Not very, but I enjoy it.
That's what matters. And what do you like to draw?
Mostly characters and landscapes.
You're creative. That's wonderful. Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. Responsibility.
Responsibility.
Communication.
Communication.
Opportunity.
Opportunity.
Great job. Your pronunciation is improving. Before you go, I want to give you some study tips.
Sure.
Tip number 1. Always read your homework instructions twice.
Okay.
Tip number 2. Give yourself small breaks while studying.
That sounds good.
Tip number 3. Don't be afraid to ask questions ever.
I'll remember that.
Aiden, it was wonderful talking with you today.
Thank you, Miss Clara. I learned a lot.
Keep practicing English every day. You're doing great.
I will. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for listening to this long English conversation. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English. See you in the next lesson.